This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello there, and welcome to the channel. This is Will with another Jonny Blockchain update. A lot of things going on right now. The halving is around the corner. The market is doing some crazy stuff. It's been kind of funny for the last 2 weeks. I've been learning new stuff, how to find meme coins, because this is the season that we can basically gamble with that type of things. I got into shares, something very interesting that I want to share as well. I got into a new project which is all about software. It's about blockchain, it's about nodes. I'm also playing the high risk, high reward, all sort of things. But still, Jonny Blockchain keeps banging and producing profits. Until today, they have produced 126,000 in passive profits, over 300,000 successful trades, still sitting on 98%, a very low rate on zero profits and negative profits. In my last video, I show you my results during March. It was my best month so far, over 1,700 in profits. The last 2 weeks, it didn't move much, honestly. It somehow pushed me to take the decision to stop some of the bots. I also reorganized my strategy. I took a couple of thousands from my account to put it in other opportunity that I'm involved. It's all about software, blockchain, nodes. So I wanted to increase my position there. And that's first of all the big plus that I find inside Jonny Blockchain. We have full control of our capital. If at any point I need to take all my funds, I can do it. We can do this by using our Binance account or our MetaMask wallet. Jonny Blockchain doesn't have access to our capital. They cannot touch one single penny. We pay to them a subscription. It's only 25 USDT a year. We can run as many bots as we can. They also have a 25% fee on successful trades. That's why we need to load our Jonny Blockchain wallet with a couple of USDT and a couple of BNB. That's all we need to do, because the automation is going to buy the tokens, is going to trade with those tokens. Once they collect profits, they're going to swap it to USDT and send it back to us, to our balance. In fact, it's never leaving your account. It's always there. If you want to stop the bot, you can do that just by clicking this option. That will affect your balance because you're going to have some losses. Or you have this option where you can wait until the bot finds the opportunity to sell, giving you profit or at least breaking even. If you just want to let it run for a long term, you can use this option. And they are making the whole process super easy for us because we can go to trends. We can find the best performing tokens in the last 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days. The total ROI from all the users. Plus, you can see those organized by popularity. You can start the setup just by clicking in these plus signs. The whole process is explained right here. When you sign up, you're going to have access to the user's guide. There are all the videos you need to follow in order to get started. If you're using your computer or your mobile, if you want to use your MetaMask wallet or your Binance account. They also have a Telegram community. And you can also find me on my open Telegram group. I'll be happy to help you if you have any questions. Back to my account. So I closed some of my bots. I took some of my capital out. I reorganized my whole strategy. I opened new bots. You can see I got started on this one 2 days ago. 1st of April, 1st of April, 1st, on the 1st, all of them on the 1st. I found my sweet spot on 312 USDT. So I put that much in all of those bots. Only in these 2 days, we got already 14%, 10%, right here, 11%. Doge is the lowest ROI so far, but still, in 3 days, it gave me a 3%. That means we're making a 1% daily. But in other more volatile tokens, we got 7%, 8%. This one, Chiva, 18%. SFX, 24%. Right here, Santos, 21%. This bot keeps doing what it's supposed to do, even when the market looks like this. They have a new option right here. It's called the BTC Saver. You can set this tool to buy Bitcoin every time you make 5 USDT in profits using your Binance bot, or buy Bitcoin every time you make $10 in profit using your MetaMask wallet. All you need to do is select the bot you want to use to do that. All right, you click save. That's all we need to do. I'm not using it because, well, I have another bag of Bitcoin waiting for the halving. That one for me is enough. Now I'm playing the other risky stuff with the meme coins. Again, it all depends how you want to play this D5 game. You have that option right here if you want to use it. Looks like I need to add more BNB to my Binance account. Remember that you always need BNB to pay the gas fees. And very important, even when you are using only the Binance bot, you still need to have a MetaMask wallet. That's the only way we can top up this wallet. Make sure you have a balance here to pay your weekly service fees. All of this is going to be covered right here in the user's guide. I recently make a video for those that are completely new. Many of you are coming from Instagram or from my email list. I try to make it super simple for you all. I'm explaining the steps that you need to follow to buy crypto, to install your wallet, select the network, add tokens, transfer from your exchange to your MetaMask wallet. Some of those steps are not fully covered in the user's guide, so I'm going to put that video right here in the top corner. And if you feel stuck in the middle of the process, don't worry, you can find me on my open Telegram group. Well guys, this is all that I want to show you during this video. We are starting this month with a new setup. Exciting times ahead with all the halving, the Bitcoin, the altcoins, our automations. This is only happening every 4 years, so I hope you are ready to get the best out of it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. Thank you in advance for your support. Happy trading, happy compoundings, and I hope to see you soon. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road.